Prospect theory. So people are more motivated to avoid a loss than to acquire a similar gain. So if there's a gain of 50 and there's a loss of 50, then people are a little bit more focused on that loss of 50 rather than that gain of 50. This is a great video about loss aversion, and I would highly encourage you to take a look at that particular video. The fascinating thing about Daniel Kahneman is this. He's a psychologist, but he was the first psychologist to win a Nobel Prize in economics. I'm going to say that again. He's a psychologist, but he was the first psychologist to win a Nobel Prize, not in psychology, but in economics, largely because of loss aversion, what's called prospect theory. So which of the following HR strategies is aligned with prospect theory or loss aversion? Incentive comp? No. A withhold? Yes. What's a withhold? So a withhold is this. Is that, say your base pay is $100,000, and I say to you is, you have the potential of earning $25,000, but in fact what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the $25,000 now. So you got a base of $100,000, I give you the $25,000 today, so you have $125,000. She's like, yes, I like that. But I say to you, but if you don't perform according to the expectations, I can take away all, withhold, or part of that $25,000. So in other words, that $25,000 is at risk. So once you get it, and if there's a threat to take it, then that's where the loss aversion kicks in. It's kind of like, oh no, you're not taking my $25,000. Then you also have what's called a clawback. So a clawback is another way of describing it, but it typically happens in executive compensation, the clawback, rather than in a withhold.